Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to turn off tap sound on Realme C67 device. Some individuals simply prefer a quieter experience when using their device. They may find tap sounds annoying or unnecessary and choose to disable them to create a more peaceful and silent environment. Well, and then here are the steps to turn off tap sound on your device. Okay, first thing first, you have to go to the settings menu on your device. Well, after that, here please select sound and vibration menu. Okay, and then please scroll down until you find tap and click sounds. Well, and then turn it off by pressing this button. Okay, and then now the tap sound on your device is successfully removed. Well, that's the tutorial on how to turn off tap sound on Realme C67 device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get all the information from this channel. Thank you.